Yeah, we'll show them how to fulfill these promises. We'll definitely do it, and that is why a meeting has been called, and all the datas have been called from the different departments. We'll take a decision. My cabinet will take a decision tomorrow, but today preliminary meeting. We'll just see, how the procedure has to be laid out and so many things like that.
Conditions ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದಾ ಹೇಳಿ?
Now we will see how the discussion take place, depending on the procedures. Whatever may be the reason, but we will definitely fulfill all the promises.
So when can we see it come into our plan, sir? When will it reach out to the people of Karnataka?
No, cabinet will take a decision tomorrow. Okay. Sir, he must have had some information. Based on that, he would have made that statement. It's not just simply just for the heck of it, he has not made the statement, and definitely there must be a reason.
So on the new parliament and the Sengol being presented, a lot of leaders in the Congress nationally have been talking about many issues like unemployment and price rise. These are real issues, whereas the other aspects like Sengol is all being given priority in the country.
No, see, customs, Indian customs, our culture, they are different from the issues which we are facing at the moment. There are price rise, there is unemployment, and there is unrest. Communal harmony is not there. These are all the issues to be attended to. And a new parliament, yes, they have done it now, spending so much money, taxpayers' money. There are feelings among the people of this country whether this was necessary. Some section of the people says that this was not necessary. If there was any repairs had to be done to the old building, they could have done it. But they're also feeling, some section of the people says that yes, modernization, modern building was necessary because of the technology and so many things. But opinions are different. Anyway, now this has happened. My only appeal to the Prime Minister is that focus on issues which people are facing, rather than just trying to bluff, or maybe even trying to divert the attention of the people.
So finally, statewide raids today by the Lokayukta, sir. The Congress, of course, has been talking about corruption in the past. Today, of course, they are saying that many of them, amassing wealth disproportionately.
See, they have an agenda. Their agenda is to stop this corruption, and that is why it was constituted. And now they are doing their job. They don't have to take instructions from anybody. They do their job. They do the rules, the regulations. Everything has been laid out in the Lokayukta Act.